Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be exploring some amazing house patio design ideas and landscaping ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, this video is a must-watch. With centuries of development, the environment has suffered a huge impact affecting our lives. In such an era, maintaining a healthy balance in our surroundings, including air quality, ecology, and natural resources, is no longer only an option. Landscape. Everyone wants their yard to look its best. However, many people think that doing landscaping is very complicated. The truth is that it's not too difficult to make your yard more beautiful. In fact, it's a great way to add value to your home. Home landscaping is the art and practice of improving the presence and artistic aspect of the area or surrounding of your home. Landscape architecture can be defined as the art of designing outdoor and indoor environments of varying sizes, including aspects of environment, art, engineering, architecture, and sociology. Landscaping is done with a view to create a natural scene by planting of lawn, trees and shrubs. It is the imitation of nature in the garden and improves the total living environment of the people. Home landscaping will not improve the resale value of your home but also provide you with the natural spaces to sell. With landscape architecture, you get a sustainable and efficient option to clear the environment of such toxins. With green plants in and around your home, carbon dioxide levels are always under control. Also, plants absorb toxic materials, helping you maintain a healthy living space. The different types of landscaping systems include: the most popular type of home landscaping is the patio. The patio is the most basic of home landscape styles. Patios can range in size from small places to accommodate a single chair, to larger areas used for outdoor dining is the most basic of home landscape styles. Pergolas and gazebos are also a home landscaping aspect where you can implement them to enjoy your landscapes. A patio is a great way to add extra living space and increase your home's value. Most people think of a patio as simply a place to spend time outdoors. However, there are a wide variety of uses for a patio. Patios can be used for dining, cooking, socializing, relaxing, playing and more. The style of your patio will change depending on the activities you want it to accommodate. A patio in the backyard is a beautiful place to unwind and take in the scenery. Depending on your desire and mood, a backyard patio can be designed in various styles and colors. Whether a small gathering or a large party, cooking and entertaining can be done on a patio in the backyard. Playing games and other activities on a patio in the backyard is a beautiful way to spend time with family and friends. Whether you're planning to host memorable gatherings or simply relax in the serenity of your own backyard, our patio design for 2024 offers a versatile space that caters to all your needs. From cozy fire pits and comfortable seating areas to a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and bar, this design has it all. Whether you are a gardening enthusiast or simply looking for inspiration to revamp your outdoor area, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to be inspired by the beauty of modern backyard garden landscaping ideas and discover how to create your own little piece of paradise right at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting home design ideas and inspiration. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave a comment sharing your favorite patio design idea. Let's get started on creating the perfect outdoor retreat.